Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Ywigs. Sent me 3 bundles of tape-ins and I'll be getting them professionally installed. I did record the process for y'all, so I will be showing it throughout this video, y'all. But it's very easy to install. It's very on the go, very quick, and it's definitely cute and it's giving natural vibes. If y'all would like to see how I got this look, then keep watching. So y'all, she started off by parting a perimeter around my hairline so that when I do put it up into a ponytail or a bun, it looks, it looks presentable. So that's what she is doing now. She basically just parting it out. And all the bundles are 18-inch. They are the same length, so it really didn't matter which one went first. So she basically just started in the back. And y'all, these tape-ins are so easy. She did wash my hair and blow dry it. Then she ended up straightening my hair as well, y'all. Then she went in with the tape-ins. Y'all, this is so easy to do. We cannot see the back of our heads, so it probably will be a little more of a challenge, but overall it's definitely easy to install, y'all. You basically just parting your hair, straightening it, and putting the tape in. I hope that I'm explaining it right, y'all. You basically straightening your hair and then parting across and then putting tape-ins across, basically like clip-ins, literally just like clip-ins, but instead of clip-ins you put tape. And y'all, it was an easy install. It did not hurt or anything like that. So y'all, she did end up putting curls in it, but by the time I got home, the curls did drop, so I did go through and put my own curls in. It's definitely cute. I definitely love it. If you are interested in shopping with Ywigs, everything will be in the description box. Literally everything, y'all. Also, if you are in the Milwaukee area, you can go book Asia. Her information will be in the description box as well, y'all. I definitely love working with her. She's so nice and sweet, y'all. I definitely recommend her as well. As well as the links to these exact tape-ins that I did get these in straight instead of yaki, so they will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to use my discount code when you purchase to get money off, sis, because who don't want money off? Also, I will be giving y'all a back view, you know how it looks in the back. Also, you can put it up into a ponytail, into a bun. It's up to you. It's giving very much vacation hair, very good for the summertime as well, y'all, if you don't want to wear a wig. Basically just showing y'all how it looks up in the ponytail. It can go in a ponytail, going to half up and down. You can basically style it however you want. That's the best thing about tape-ins, y'all. But everything will be in the description box for this company, literally everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything, as well as my discount code. You can get money off, as I mentioned before, y'all. Don't forget to go shop at Ywigs, and I will see y'all in my next video.